Hi everyone. Today, I'm going to show you how to check your laptop's graphics card details. So, let's get started. First, let's use the display settings method. Right-click on your desktop and select Display Settings. Scroll down and click on Advanced Display Settings. Then, click on Display Adapter Properties. Under the Adapter tab, you should see your graphics card details. Here, my graphics card is the Intel HD Graphics 4600, an integrated Intel graphics card. If you have an ATI Radeon or NVIDIA GeForce card, you'll see that here too. At the bottom, you'll see various types of graphics memory. Now, let's use an even easier method through the Device Manager. Right-click the bottom left corner of your screen. And then from the menu, select Device Manager. And then, expand the Display Adapters section by clicking the arrow next to it. Here, you can see your graphics card details again. My graphics card is the Intel HD Graphics 4600, but if you have an NVIDIA GeForce or another card, it'll be listed here. And that's how you check your graphics card details on Windows 10. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips.